Good morning, students. Welcome in GEC classes. Today I will teach you a new topic, trigonometric identities. Okay, and this is episode 1, and I will continue trigonometric identities in episode 2 and like this. Okay, so let us start. First topic, trigonometric identities in episode 1. And first of all, write down all the formulas regarding trigonometric identities. Okay, सबसे पहले आप लोग trigonometric identities के formulas को जान ले, समझ ले. See formula 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and you can write as you will use the formula. You will apply transpose rule. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, or 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Okay, or cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta, or sin theta is equal to स्क्वायर, ये आपका कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट में अंडर रूट 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा. दैट मीन्स आप एक फार्मूला को इतने तरीके से डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड फार्मूला, sec स्क्वायर थीटा minus tan square theta is equal to 1, then sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You will apply transpose rule, or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Okay, you can also convert स्क्वायर को आप उधर तब्दील कर दें तो sec theta is equal to under root 1 plus tan theta हो जाएगा. tan theta is equal to under root sec square theta minus 1. That means आप सेकेंड फार्मूला को भी इतने तरीके से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. फार्मूला नंबर 3, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. You will apply again transpose rule. Then cosec square theta is equal to 1. ये cot square theta उधर जाएगा, प्लस में हो जाएगा. cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. You can also write as cosec theta स्क्वायर जो उधर जाएगा रूट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा 1 plus cot square theta अंडर रूट, और cot theta is equal to under root cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, now formula 4, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Fifth, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sixth formula, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Just next, formula number 7, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, और sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Formula number 8, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now formula number 5 I have discussed, so remove this. Last formula 9, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. That means इस चैप्टर में आपको ये 9 फॉर्मूले को अच्छे से समझना होगा. उसके बाद फिर हम आगे प्रॉब्लम पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो आपको हम इस ट्रिगोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज में खास करके वैसे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करवाएंगे जो कि पिछले 10 से 15 साल पहले पूछा गया है बोर्ड एग्जाम में. ओके, तो देखते हैं हम लोग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव सी हियर देयर 4 क्वेश्चंस, एंड दीज क्वेश्चंस were asked in your previous board exam for 1 marks. Okay, so these are the objective questions. Question number 3, question number 1, answer of 1. Write sin theta in terms of cos theta. That means you will convert sin theta into cos theta. You know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. Then sin theta is fully converted into in cos theta. Okay, so this is your required answer. Okay, now question number 2, write sec theta in terms of cot theta. You know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus, and you know the formula, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. That means tan square theta is equal to 1 by cot square theta. Okay, you will convert into cot theta. Then sec theta is equal to sec square theta. Take LCM. Cot square theta plus 1. Then sec theta is equal to under root, arrange him, cot square theta by cot square theta. Okay, then sec theta is equal to under root 1 plus cot square theta by cot theta. Root square cancel out. Okay, so this is your required expression. Sec theta is fully converted into cot theta. Okay, now see question number 3. Write tan theta in terms of sec theta. You know formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That means tan square theta is equal to sec square minus theta minus 1. Then tan theta is equal to under root sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta is fully converted into sec theta. This is your required answer. Okay. Now see question number 4. Write cot theta in terms of cos theta. You know cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to, ये इधर चला जाएगा, cos theta by sin theta. You will convert cot theta in terms of cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta, ये तो ऐसे रहने दें. Sin theta क्या रहेगा, under root 1 minus cos square theta. That means cot theta is fully converted into in terms of cos theta. Okay, this is your required answer. Okay. Student, question number 50 is sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. You will prove it. Okay. तो मैं सबसे पहले आपको ये बता दूं, ट्रिगोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज में प्रूव करने का सबसे आसान तरीका, इट इज इजी वे टू सॉल्व एनी ट्रिगोमेट्रिक प्रॉब्लम्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल कन्वर्ट एनी टर्म्स इनटू sin theta or in cos theta. Okay, then after you will start, if अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में sin theta cos theta ऑलरेडी है तो आप sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा फार्मूला का इस्तेमाल करें, या फिर कुछ अलजेब्रिक फार्मूला भी इस्तेमाल होंगे, उसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे. तो लेट अस सी इन द सिस्टम. sin 4 थीटा प्लस cos 4 थीटा you can write as sin square theta whole to cos square theta whole to, you can write as, okay. Now you know a square plus b square. The formula of a square plus b square is equal to a square plus b square is equal to a plus b to the power whole to minus 4ab. Okay, sorry, 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Put the value of a is here sin square theta, b is cos square theta whole square minus 2ab. 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. अब ट्रिगोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज में इनटू में डॉट का इस्तेमाल करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई टर्म में. sin square theta plus cos square theta, you know formula, equal to 1 square minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. 1 square 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta equal to RHS. Okay, students, today I will finish episode 1. In next class I will start episode 2 and continuously I will solve question from 6. Okay, thank you all of you to listen me.